Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 5, algebraic expressions. First we will see the introduction of chapter. In the previous class you have already been introduced to the branch of mathematics called algebra. You also studied about variables and constants. As you all know what is algebra, and you already studied about the variables and constant. Now types of algebraic expression, what are they? First is monomial. Monomial means the algebraic expression with only one term are called monomials, which has only one term. Just suppose minus 4x. Here there is only one term in minus 4x. Minus 4 is constant term and x is variable. So this is monomial. Now binomial algebraic expression with two terms are called binomial. Suppose x plus 4. X is variable and 4 is constant. So x plus 4. This is binomial. Two terms are there. Now trinomials algebraic expression, three terms are called trinomials. 3x plus y minus z. This is trinomials. Now polynomials algebraic expression with two or more terms are called polynomials. Means if we have two or more terms, it is called as polynomial. Now factors of a term and what are constant terms. Now factor of a terms are, you can see, suppose 10x square. So 10 multiply x into x. Okay, these are their factors. Now minus 5xy minus 2x into y into y. So these are the factors. Now constant terms are, suppose we have x, that is 4x square plus 5x 10. In the term 10 is a constant term. Okay, without variable is a constant term. Now we will see exercise number 5.1. Question number 1, write the factors of the following terms. First question, 9x की power 3 y square. Now 9 into x into x into x to y into, we have to write x 3 times, y 2 times. Now question number 2, minus 11x cube y square z square. Minus 11 multiply x into x into x, because x cube is there, y into y square is there, z into z. So like this you have to solve these questions. All the answers are given here. Now question number 2, identify the following expression as monomial, binomial and trinomial. Here you can see the one term, there is only one term, so it is monomial. Now here it is two term, so this is binomial. Now again two terms, a and b term, so this is binomial. Now 1 2 3, this is trinomial. 1 2 3, this is also trinomial. 1 2, this is binomial. 1 2 3, this is trinomial. Only one term, this is monomial. Here also one term, this is monomial. Now question number 3, write 5 monomials other than those given in question 1 and 2. Now you have to write just 5 monomial. You can write anyone. Suppose 15a square, 3xy, 8y cube, 54z, 6yz. Suppose 15y, 100x. So like this. Now question number 4, write 5 binomials other than those given in question 1 and 2. Now same, here you have to write binomial 5 plus x, 10 plus xy. You can write anyone. Now question number 5, write 5 trinomials other than those given in question 1 and 2. xy plus yz plus zx, 10y square plus x cube plus z. Any term you can use. 24 plus x square plus z. So like this. Number 6, identify the constant term from the given expression. What are the constant terms? The constant terms are the numbers which is not included with the variables. Here you can see with minus 10 there is no variable, so minus 10 will be the constant term. Here minus 9, here minus 27, here minus 15, here 12, here 22. Other you can see the variables is there with the numbers. So these are the constant terms. Now question number 7, find the coefficient of a square in the following terms. Minus 11 a square b square. Now here you have to find the coefficient of a square. So you have to leave a square, other you have to write as answer. Suppose first answer is minus 11 b square. You have to remove a square just. Here you can see 12 b cube. Here minus 19 x cube b. Here 12d. Here minus 19 c square d square. Here minus 41 d e square. Here 12 m square. Here 79. Now question number 8, find the coefficient of y square in the following algebraic expression. Now here you have to find the coefficient. So coefficient of y square. With y square which term is there? Minus 4. So minus 4 will be the answer. Now with y square which term is there? 22. 22 will be the answer. Now with y square which term is there? Minus 21 x cube. So this is the answer. Now in next y square 15 cube. Here minus 12. Here minus 12. Here 15x cube. And here minus 11z. Now we will see our next concept, power or degree of algebraic expression. Now suppose we have question minus 5x square. So here power of degree is 2 because x is power 2. Now power of degree of 4x cube y square. So you have to add them. Suppose 3 plus 2 5. Now next question, d square m. So 2 and m has 1. So 2 plus 1 3. Now the power or degree of minus 11x y cube. So 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Now on the basis of this we will solve exercise 5.2. Question number 1, write the degree of the following algebraic expression. Now you can see how many what is the degree of this? 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay, now this power you have to see. Now here only 2 is there. Now here 3 plus 1 4. Now here 5 plus 2 5. Here 3. Now here you can see 3 plus 3, that is 6, and this is 2 plus 2 4. So 6 is greater 6. Now here 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 answer. Now here 4 answer. Now here 6. Now question number 2, arrange the following polynomials in descending orders. Now here first you have to write the negative values. Minus 15 x square y square. Then you have to write x square y because degree 3, it has power of degree 2, xy, then xy, then plus 10. Now again we will see the power of degree. First you can see here 4a, here that is power of degree is 5. So first we have to write 4a cube b square. Now in the next, that there is 3 power of degree. So 16a is a cube. Now next 2 power of degree. So minus 3b square. So you have to arrange according to the power of degree. Now question number 3, find the value of the following algebraic expression when m equal to 2, n equals to minus 3, equals to 4. So here one expression is given here over here. You just have to put the values which is given in the question. So 3 into 2 square because m equals to 2, and minus 3 square minus 2 into p. In the place of p you have to write minus 4. Minus 4 is given here. So 3 into 2 2s are 4, minus 3 3 9. So minus 2 into 4. Now 4s are 12, 12 9s are 108. So 108 plus y plus minus minus plus. Now 4 2s are 8. So plus 8. Now 116 will be the answer. 108 plus 8 equals to 116. Now in the same way to solve this question, explain one more question. Second one, 6 m square n square p plus 4 mn. Now you have to put the values and then you have to solve. 6 into 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So 9 into minus 4 plus 4 into 2 into minus 3. Now 6 4s are 24, 24 into 9, and then you have to multiply with 4. So it is minus 864. Now 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24 with minus sign. So minus 864 minus 24. When you will solve this, minus 888 will be the answer. Now question number 4, make groups of the like terms. Now here you have to make groups of like terms. Now you can see here is xy. So first, now fourth is also of same yx. Fourth here, next yx, xy, 12. Then again in this one, that is 14. Now second one we will see a square b. So this one, second one of a square b, then this one also, then this one also, this one also. Okay, now we will see minus p cube. So minus p also, this one also, now this one also, and this one. Now we will see after n square terms, this one, this and this. So like this you just have to write the terms. Now write 5 like terms for 3m square p. So what you have to write, you just have to change the numbers. Suppose minus 5m square p, 10m square p, 15m square p. You can write any number, 75m square p. Now write 5 like terms for minus 3x cube y square. So you can write x cube y square directly also with minus 6, any number, with any number, 8 x cube y square, 2x cube y square. Now question number 7, write 5 like terms for minus 10 cube b square c square. So b square c square minus b square c square also, 2b square c square you can write also, 3b square c square also you can write. Now write 10 unlike terms. You have to write 10 unlike terms, different terms. Suppose x, you can write y also, 5zy, x square, y square also you can write, 3y, 6z cube, 7xyz, 8x square, 2yz square, 9x square, 10x square y square z. Now question number 9, x equals to minus 4. So find the value of the following. X square minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4. What will be the answer? 16. Now in cube, 4 into 4 into 4 with minus sign, the answer will be minus 64. Now x power 4, so 256. Now here you have to put minus sign because it is out of the bracket. Now same other question solved. Now question number 10, if a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 1, find the value of the following. A square minus b square. So 2 square minus 1 square. So 2 square equals to 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Now here minus 2 square minus 1 whole square equals 2. You can see minus 4 minus 1. So minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So you just have to put the value and you have to solve them. Then you will get your answer. Here we have completed 5.1 and 5.2 exercise. In the next video we will see next exercise. Till that you have to practice these questions. Thank you and have a nice day.